Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is October 16, 2023, Monday. So first the levels, then we go into the discussion part of it, and also we'll give the levels for FinNifty. What is the support and resistance level that one can think of, right? FinNifty closed at 19,814.50, absolutely flat. BankNifty also more or less remained flat, but I would say 0.14% down. So hence no, we mentioned what exactly it was down or up. 44,225.90. Nifty also almost flat, 0.1% down, closed at 19,731.80. So what happened? All three indices opened the gap down, but formed kind of a doji. But Nifty on Friday itself formed a solid green candle and a doji after that, and close above the exponential moving average and close above the key averages, tells us that there is some positive momentum in Nifty. Of course, FinNifty and BankNifty also, the kind of closure it has done, it is struggling to close above the the key levels. Of course, FinNifty was able to close above September close, while BankNifty is still below the September close, which is a cause for concern. One of the primary reasons for that is that the HDFC failing severely. HDFC Bank, if it fires tomorrow, today is result. See, I don't follow fundamentals, though I am fully aware of what is a fundamental study, and I know all the ratios and everything. In fact, in my educational videos we have put, but I don't follow fundamentals because I feel it is waste of time. So there are only enough number of people who do the fundamental and tell whether it is good result, bad result. Anyway, tomorrow how the market is going to open, basis which we will know how the market is reading the results. That's more important than whether the result is good or bad. How the market reads the result, understands, interprets and implements it. That's more important than the result itself. That is what I would say. However, it is prudent to wait for the results, which today evening, I am sure by now it would have come. As we shoot, probably it would have come. I have not seen that. But HDFC Bank, if it fires, I think there will be some up move momentum that might be there in HDFC Bank. Technically, when I look at how it is positioned, which might take FinNifty and BankNifty and also in the process Nifty to certain new highs. Okay, because Nifty in the weekly closure had a fantastic closure, while Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty is still below the exponential moving average, 20 exponential moving average, and the Bollinger middle band in the weekly chart, which is not a good sign. Of course, in the daily chart also it is below all the levels. Apart from this, today there is nothing much to choose because it opened, it slightly went down, thereafter it went up, it came down, it was hovering there. Nothing much had happened in all these indices. With this, let's go into the analysis part of the individual sectors. Banks, AU, Federal Bank, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Bank fell 1%, while Axis, Bandhan and IDFC 1% up. On the financials, Chola, Manappuram, M&M Finance, Shriram Finance all down 1%, L&T Finance and Muthoot 1% up, all others like Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Twins, everything remained flat. The results are going to come, but post this, I feel that there will be some negative momentum in Bajaj Finserv in particular. Hence, no one has to be careful. Technically, I am telling technically, I don't know what is going to be the result, what will be there, all those things. That is for fundamental people to put their ears, eyes and everything, not for us. Insurance and cards, HDFC Life, ICICI Pru, SBI cards 1% up, ICICI General 2% up. Oil and Telecom, Bharti 1% down, Reliance remained flat. In the IT, IFL, Intellect, LTTS, Emphasis, TCS, TKM 1% down, Coforge, SCL, LTIM 1% up. Consumer goods, Asian Paints, Page Industries, Pidilite 1% down, DMart, Nestle 2% down, Bata, Trent 1% down, ABF, Arl 1% up, 2% up. The automobiles, everything remains sideways or up. M&M 1% up, Hero Motors 2% up, Motherson 3% up. In the metals, Coal India, Hindalco, Jindal, National Aluminum, Tata Steel 1% up, JSW and Vedanta 2% up. Health and Pharma, Sun Pharma 1% down, Divi's and Metropolis 2% down, all others remain sideways. Others, Jubilant Food, Ultratech, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprise 1% down, Delta Corp 8% down. So I have been cautioning people about Delta Corp because it's very simple. When there is some sector or something which is constantly driven by government policies and there are issues, concerns, it is better to stay away. Right? Let things settle down. Does settle, then always we'll have a chance. That's what I have been telling in all my videos for the last 2-3 months. I have been telling. In the Godrej UPL up 1%. With all these things, what do we expect for Fin Nifty expiry? So I feel that the Bollinger lower band will act as a very good support, which it has been acting for these many days in the last 20-25 days. So hence, it will continue to act support, which is at 19,394, which will act as a support. On the resistance, the September 20th open, which is at 2191.00. There were two gaps that got created, gap down. September 20th, it formed a solid red candle with a long upper wick also, and that open will act as a very powerful resistance. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.